My name is Jacob Ayers. I am the current project lead for the Automated Acoustic Species Identification team at the Engineers for Exploration Lab at UC San Diego. So right now it is 1 a.m. and I, as a project lead and person, I had a bit of an epiphany. I realized that being one of the lead programmers on my team this year, I am not going to be able to put in quite the amount of time and effort into a video project like I did during RU 2020. I realize I'm going to shoot a different type of video this year. My goal is to show off what it's like to do research in the RU program, specifically in my lab. And hopefully I get to show off, what sort of technical contributions I make, what it's like leading a team, what it's like to be an aspiring researcher, and I'm going off script and just gonna see how, just film myself on a daily basis and tie it all together at the end through the magic of editing. We'll see how this goes.
Today I am leading an expedition to the Scripps Coastal Reserve. We're going to fill this area with audio recordings that will record for 2 weeks. And so, man, being someone that grew up watching a lot of documentaries and stuff like Zaboomafoo, Steve Irwin and David Attenborough documentaries, it's really cool having grown up watching people go out into the field, listen to animals and such. It's really cool to have an opportunity to be in those shoes.
Hello. Yesterday, Sean Perry and Mugen Blue, my two teammates, they went out to the Scripps Coastal Reserve with me, and we went around and took latitude and longitude coordinates of where we believe that we can set up low-cost audio recorders to record bird songs. We're kind of developing two pieces of software concurrently. The collaborators requested we create an audio labeling system with a couple different requirements, make it web-based, make it so they label on a spectrogram, see if we can implement some basic user tracking, like how long did it take them to annotate stuff. Ryan was saying you should really start thinking of how to combine the different stuff you've been working on into, a coherent package. And so I may have taken that too literally. I was like, wow, I'll write a Python package. And so basically that led to what I called an automated audio labeling system and a manual audio labeling system. And so Sean Perry, since I don't have the web development skills, he's been primarily leading that. I've acted more as a kind of hands-off manager that just kind of looks at the final product and says, yeah, this is good, maybe make these tweaks, and then how can I make this labeling system complement what I'm doing? My real hope is that by the end of summer we'll have the automated audio labeling system, PIHA, and the audio labeling system, PyroNote, be able to kind of synchronize together well enough that once we have gone out and actually deployed the Audiomoths and retrieved them 2 weeks later, we'll be able to actually parse through that data in an efficient manner.
Today is our first actual deployment day, not the first day on the Coastal Reserve, but the first time we're deploying Audiomoths as a team, which is super exciting. Here we have our 8 Audiomoths all lined up, and we're going to go out into the field. We took GPS coordinates, and so now it's just a matter of using the same app to return to them. So, right now I am outside of Center Hall at UCSD, and I chose this spot because just under 2 years ago I came up to Kurt Sugar's after his EC15 lecture and had expressed my interest in Engineers for Exploration. I knew I wanted to get involved in climate change and conservation research, and I wanted to apply my skills in computer science. At this time, though, I had never ever made a machine learn or processed any signals. Just today, I finished uploading over 300 hours of audio that contains an endangered species called the California gnatcatcher. It's a great feeling to have walked in the footsteps of many of my conservationists that I look up to. I hope that the tools we have developed over the summer, PHA and Pyronote, can be used for future conservation efforts and help make species such as the California gnatcatcher be heard.